Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm your inspector today. I inspected this Ford Ranger for you. Obviously, the visually is very dirty, but obviously that's a wrap on it, you know. So where to start from? The wrap quality is very average, I would say. All the plastics, they are really flimsy. In some areas, like here, they're not secured. Same at the back, they're loose, so the rear ones will need to be taken off and redo it correctly. The tires are excellent. Front pads are advisory. Regards to structural damage, I've seen the pictures. Here you can see slightly frame has twisted slightly, and there's a slight gap on this section here. However, underneath, obviously because it's got metal, the body is on the chassis itself. Here the X-frame, that's not been replaced. Obviously the frame is solid. All the suspension is fine. Regards to structural damage, what I can see, also there is evidence of behind the trims. A few things are broken here, where the accident had happened, but I would consider that not significant, and the repair is satisfactory, because certain parts are not replaced, just fitted back. Obviously those front two wings has the aftermarket wings, and they not been resprayed, and they become black, they just been wrapped. I obviously measured all of the thicknesses. I will have a look on a readings itself. Looking on the readings while I was measuring the paint thickness, I couldn't find anything drastically damaged. On this side here, on other side there has been some filler used. Regards to coming back to bodywork, it's fair wear and tear. Would require full volley. It's just super dirty. Yes, the mirror casing is broken, well, I remember, and that thing is falling out, but consider minor. The front section of the vehicle, again fair wear and tear, and full volley required. The vehicle is found, and I can confirm it's in a grey colour.